In this video, you'll learn how to edit your Stan Store page. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to customize your store effectively. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, locate the option to log in. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your main dashboard. Look for the left sidebar where you will find various options. Click on My Store to access your store management area. Once you've selected My Store, the screen will refresh to display your store details. At the top of this page, find and click the button labeled Edit Design. This action will allow you to make changes to the visual aspects of your store. With the design editor open, you will see different sections of your store. Click on the specific section you wish to modify. This could include areas for text, layout, or other content elements. After selecting the section, you can begin to edit the text, adjust the layout, or update the content as needed. Make sure to review your changes carefully to ensure they align with your store's branding and message. Once you are satisfied with the edits, locate the button that says Save. Click this button to confirm your changes. Depending on the size of the updates, you may see a brief loading indicator as your modifications are processed. After saving, it is advisable to refresh your store page to review how the changes look in real time. This will help you confirm that everything appears as intended before you start promoting your store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.